You're looking at a 2013 Toyota Prius Hybrid Package 2 with 4-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, 139,000 miles. This is a southern vehicle that's never seen New England winters. Car's in excellent shape, has 139,000 miles, just fully serviced, 4 brand new tires, alignment. It was also serviced at Toyota with a brand new hybrid battery about 2 weeks ago. Comes with keyless entry, great silver exterior, gray cloth interior. The numbers right here. Bluetooth, CD, climate controls, air conditioning. Exact mileage is 139,104. Push start. You're hearing the beeping because the key's in my pocket and the car's on. There's nothing wrong there. Anyways, if you're interested, our phone number is 508-921-0301. Again, that's 508-921-0301. Just do one more walk around and then we'll be done. Thank you and have a good day.